showing no sympathy. I don't got the time or the energy. My team, I lead them to victory. I don't do none of that bickering. Me and money, we got chemistry. Foreign little bitch out of Italy. Take an adventure, you sick of me. Damn, tell that why you killing me. I only think that y'all hearing me. Most of these niggas be fearing me.
Okay, hey, what's up, y'all? What's poppin'? Okay, so I'm at work. They got my job back there. And I just took a 15-minute break. So, within my 15-minute break, I'm gonna show y'all how my car look because I plan on, this camera kind of dark. It's kind of dark. But I plan on doing a cleaning my car with me. If you hear like it's just a lot of traffic and everything behind me. But I'm gonna do a clean my car with me. My car is so dirty, it's so fucked up, and I gotta clean this motherfucker out, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all what my car look like beforehand and why I gotta clean my car out. Because my car has been dirty like this for a minute, and I'm like, I'm not gonna touch nothing because I want to do a clean with me. I did not get it dirty purposely, but I'm not cleaning it purposely so I can do this video. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like real quick. So this is what it look like. This is what my floor look like. Down here I got a plate, I got a straw, paper, a cup. Like, it's real dirty. The mats is really dirty. The floor is dirty. Right here, first of all, I gotta find my battery, my other battery, because I know I brought it in the car. I got paper in here, hair ties that I need to put right there, because I keep my hair ties right there, because like when I go to work, it's very easy to just grab one. More paper, just stuff that was texting me. So just stuff I need to clean right there. I got a pop can. First of all, I got hand sanitizer, Zaxios, napkins, more paper, more napkins. This pop needs to get thrown out. Gum in there. I got paper in there, but this pop was been here since the 4th of July because it was nasty. I don't like cream soda, and it is the 10th. So that motherfucker been here for a long time. So I got paper right here. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Okay, first of all, we're gonna start right here. So my mat is like really dirty. Just a lot going on in there. Paper in there. Even the outside is dirty. I don't even know what the hell that is. I got Malakai sock. My seats need to be cleaned out. This is Mahlani's side of the back seat, and as y'all can see, it's all type of stuff just in here. So I got my shoes in here, but I just had those on and I put my sandals on for my break because my feet need a break. Look at my mat, and just all type of stuff back here on this floor. All type of stuff. This is mine. This is liquor. Something in this liquor. I got Malakai's stroller right there. Now my trunk was worse than this. I had garbage bags back here. I had 3 little jewel bags of garbage back here, and I took those out. But even this needs to get cleaned out back here and just strained up. My car is really dirty on the outside. We go to the other side of the car. Take car seats to go the other side of the car. It's not as dirty as Lonnie's side. Cause you know I don't sit back here. But got some disinfectant spray. Look at the mat. It's all sticky. The stuff all over the floor, toys and all type of crap. So yeah, so I'm gonna be cleaning it out. I just wanted to show y'all the before. It's also been really fucking hot the last couple days. It's been real hot and real humid and just a lot going on with the universe. I don't cooking, but it's been really, really, really hot. So yeah. So I got my sunglasses up here. I got a pair of sunglasses right there. Pair of sunglasses right there. Napkins right there. You hit this down. I got sunglasses up here. So all of this just needs to get cleaned out. Okay, so it is 12:15. I'm out here with the kids, so they riding their bike. There go Nene and Erica Stank. So I'm gonna start with the front right here first, so I could be able to find. Oh, and I got my phone which comes in handy, but I gotta find my battery. But this battery died. Don't mind how I look because I don't look perfect. Put this battery in before my phone dies. So I'm gonna do that first. Flipping over. Where'd that top go? It's kind of windy out here, but it's a nice wind. My camera keeps flipping over, so I can't really show you how to flip unless I hold it, and I don't really want to hold it right now. So this was some of the trash that was on the floor for the front passenger side. So that's all right here until I like wipe everything. Until I wipe everything off and everything got to be clean. So I'm gonna work with what's in here. So I got my wallet and stuff in here. This was like a candy wrapper of these stupid ass swishers. Well, not swishers, those are black mouse, perfume, and just a lot of candy and accessories in here. I'm gonna clean this out. Swisher paper in here. Let's clean this out now. Bye.
Okay,
putting my mask back right here.
I'll go with you.
I think I am going to put them right here on the Bluetooth because nobody sits on this side, so they could be okay with being right here because I don't like them really hanging right here. It annoys me that they hang right there, so I could just sit them right there. Nobody sits over there. I was trying to find somewhere to put my sunglasses because I kind of get sick of my sunglasses being down here. They kind of take up a lot of space. I could put them in my glove compartment. Okay, cool beans. I could put my sunglasses right here because I got some room now because I picked all that shit up out of there. So now it looks a lot better. It looks a lot better down there. And then, you know, you gotta have your hand sanitizer. Except I'm gonna clean these coaster things out. I'm gonna clean these out because it's sticky in there. And I'm just have to find somewhere to put these. Except they don't really smell anymore because I done had them in here for a bit. So I'll probably throw this one in the garbage.
You win. Choose your fighter. Slightly inspired. Fight.
Okay, so this is what my trunk look like right now. Y'all should know what it looked like previously. I'm getting another video, but this is what it looked like because, you know, I strained it up. It got some crumbs and stuff, but once I vacuum, all that should be gone. But I put all the miscellaneous stuff in there because it don't hurt to just sit everything in there. And this is just stuff that can't fit in the bag, and it just looked a whole lot cleaner and nicer, and I don't gotta struggle. And of course I could put my thing up and nobody could look in. So as y'all can see, like, check me out, I'm sweating hella bad. So you see it. Sweating real bad, but here go my back seat. This is how the back seat look. Again, I still got a vacuum. I left those wipes out because I want to wipe down my steering wheel area up here. So I want to wipe all of this down, all the dashboard, and just everything that I touch up here. I want to wipe it down. I do got some disinfectant spray, which I kept that right there on the side of the door because it's easy reach. And then right here on this side of the door, if y'all can see, I take my Alexa to work so I can be able to listen to music. And if it focuses in, I got my Alexa on the passenger, no, not the passenger, on the right side of the driver's door, which is behind me. I got it over there, so when I'm at work and I'm getting out the car, it's easy reach for me to just grab it, and then I go right to work. So that's why I put it right back there on the door. The reason why I didn't put it up here on the door is because, like, when I get out a lot, I don't want to accidentally knock it out or anything, because I do get out the car a lot. Sometimes Mahlani and Mahliyah is not in the back seat. And I got my perfume up here, right here. So I got my perfume up here on the door because it was getting real cramped up in here, and my little box right here, and it's so much nicer and so much cleaner in there. I did not clean this out, and the reason why I didn't clean this out is because it's not dirty at all. It's just really napkins and stuff in here that's like discombobulated. And this is a seafood menu. You know, we gotta keep that in there, but it's not really dirty in here. Everything is just cool in here. It's just the napkins that's like discombobulated, but everything else is good. So that's why I didn't clean that out. But I did clean this out. I'm still gonna wipe this stuff out. I am finna go vacuum out my car so I can vacuum the floors. So I just made it here to vacuum my seat. But who gonna take me though? But I just made it here to vacuum my car, and I'm glad they got the little mat things that you can vacuum right there. But I'm gonna get up and vacuum, so this could be a fast process, and then go to the beginning to figure out how the floors look, and then come back now. So in case it's loud, I'm sorry because I'm still here, but these are just dirty. But I just wanted to show y'all underneath. Okay, check me out. Let me open the door. Check me out, check me out. Now, if y'all remember, I said that was liquor. We're not throwing that out. No. But check me out. Check me out. It's all clean. These, I have to wash these. So, that's different. But boom, check me out. Car clean, car so fresh and so clean. And just this for taking the house. But everything else, it's okay. So I'm dead hot. I don't know why I'm showing y'all my sweat so much, but I'm so hot. I just decided that I am not gonna get a car wash. I'm gonna go home. I'll see y'all when I get home. Okay, so as I'm recording this, I'm realizing that I did not finish this motherfucking video off. It was so damn hot that day. I almost passed out. Y'all see me sweating? This was like a week and a half ago, and I'm just now getting to edit this video and all of that. But thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna have some more videos coming. Sorry I've been taking a long time. I'll be working.
I know.